Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome. Clearing your browser cache can help fix loading issues, free up space, and ensure you're seeing the most up-to-date version of websites. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Next, under the Privacy and Security section, click on Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new window with two tabs, Basic and Advanced. In the Clear Browsing Data window, you'll see two tabs, Basic and Advanced. The Basic tab lets you quickly clear common data like browsing history, cookies, and cached images. The Advanced tab gives you more control, including options like downloaded files, passwords, and autofill data. If you only want to clear the cache, stay on the Basic tab. Make sure cached images and files is checked. You can also select other options like browsing history or cookies if needed. Then, click Clear Data. For more control, switch to the Advanced tab. Here you can clear cached images and files along with other data like downloaded files, passwords, or autofill information. Once you've made your selections, click Clear Data. After clearing the cache, it's a good idea to restart Chrome to ensure everything is refreshed. Simply close the browser and open it again. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache in Google Chrome using both the basic and advanced options. This should help improve performance and resolve any loading issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.